Ever wondered about Saturn's mysterious rings? Ever thought to yourself how they came to be? Well, for the first time, scientists have found the reason behind them, and now I can tell you the origin of Saturn's rings. Saturn, probably the most famous planet in our solar system. You know why? These. Today I'm going to show you what scientists all across the world have discovered about this planet's impossible secret. You know what this planet is? Take a guess. Go on. No? Well, of course you won't recognise it. It doesn't exist anymore. But it did. And the reason you won't find any information about this planet in any book is because scientists have only just found out evidence about this planet's relationship to Saturn. A very impossible relationship. Now, you've heard me mention impossible twice now. Perhaps you're thinking this is going to turn into some sort of sci-fi adventure, that we can discover this impossible factor. But we don't need to, because this is all science faction, which is the complete opposite to science fiction. And let me take you back in time, to the beginning of the universe. Let's speed things up a bit. The Milky Way galaxy, our home. This is what is so impossible. You see these two planets? Saturn without its rings, and day-night, still alive. That isn't impossible. But what is impossible is look at the way they're orbiting the sun. They orbit each other. That, my friends, is what is so impossible about this. Two planets orbiting each other. The reason for this is unknown, but in a recent meeting by the International Space Association, they decided it would be a better idea to class day-night as a planet rather than moon, simply because of its planetary prerequisites. Let's talk about some of day-night's properties, shall we? The atmosphere is made up of 26% carbon, 40% oxygen and 44% nitrogen. And that's a safe amount of gases to survive paying a visit, unlike most of our other neighbours. But we're only scratching the surface, so let's dig really deep into the impossible planet. It's a very rocky world. It's also believed there were some rivers on the planet too. This planet is very capable of sustaining life. However, there is no evidence yet to prove that life had ever existed on this rocky world. To tell you more about our rocky planet day-night, I now hand you over to NASA's head scientist,